In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take this $25 business and you can grow it up to 6 figures per year. Something important, guys, is that this is a real business. This is not something like a get rich scheme. This is not something that you are going to start today and you're going to hit 4 figures tomorrow. Okay, this is something that you need to take commitment. You need to take action, but don't worry. You don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to follow if you really want to hit that mark. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. And now let me show you everything. Again, guys, yes, this is a $25 business. It's for real. And one cool thing that I really like about this $25 business is the fact that you only need to get 2 sales and you're going to be profit. Okay. If you decide to make this consistent, you can reach 6 figures in a year just by getting 1 or 2 sales per week. That's it. And don't worry, there is no technical knowledge required. The name of the business is All in One 25 dollars digital business. Okay. It's an all-in-one solution because you're going to have the funnel builder. You're going to have all the training. You don't need to deal with customer service. You don't need to be taking care of pre-written emails, or you don't need to write your emails. You're going to get them already. Okay. Literally, you just need to copy and paste and follow what I show you here on this tutorial. Okay. If you make 1 sale per week, okay, this is how much you are going to be earning. Okay. Again, guys, the results depend on what you are willing to do. If you are consistent on this, you can get 6 figure. You're going to get paid 80% commission on all sales. And one thing that I like is the fact that this is recurring. So that means that the income is going to be growing month after month after month after month. You're going to have everything, the funnel builder, you're going to have the academy, you're going to have the escape plan. Okay. I'm going to leave the link below so you can check out. Okay. You can see the swipes and you can join if you decide like this is an opportunity that you want to take. Okay. So I'm going to leave the link below so you can check the testimonials and everything. Okay. So now if you decide to join, okay, there is a guarantee. Okay. You have 30 days to test it. And if for some reason you decide like this is actually not for you, no question asked, you can get all your money back. Okay. But I'm pretty sure that you're going to get it and you're going to like it. So you need to fill out this form with your first name, your last name, your valid email address, a telephone number, your billing address, card information. And here you're going to have what they call this bonus, in which they're going to give you training about, traffic. It's 2 week training you can take here and you can get free access. But if you decide that it's not for you, you can just go with the $25 business and you're going to have all-in-one business. Okay. You're going to click here where it says, give me access immediately. And you're going to have access to it immediately. Okay. And this is how it actually looks like. Okay. You're going to have a training about how to set up your funnel. You're going to have a training about, why it's actually so important to have your funnel, how you can have access to life coach, because yes, there is a life coach. Okay. How you can have access to the community. Okay. Let me log in again really fast. Okay. I'm back again to my account. Okay. So you're going to have the funnel builder. You're going to have the academy. If you decide to give it a try for the 2 weeks, you're going to have access to these 2 areas, which is the traffic and conversion and also the financial literacy academy. Because when we are earning money, guys, it's important of not only how much money we make, but how much money we keep. Okay. Especially if we need to deal with taxes and everything. Okay. So you're going to have full training here. But what I want you to go right now, I want you to go here where it says the affiliate zone. Okay, here on the affiliate zone, you need to make sure that you're going to be watching these videos. Okay, because this is actually really important. They're going to show you how you can actually create your HBA affiliate center, because we're going to be you know, promoting this, and also how you can quickly start and launch your product, or actually start and launch your business even if you haven't set up anything. Okay, so this is actually really really important, guys. This something that I also want to show you guys. This is the actual funnel builder they provide. It's actually really easy, really simple to use. It's literally drag and drop. Okay, once you're ready, sign up and agree with everything, you're gonna click here where it says log into Samcard, and you're gonna land here. Okay, they do have several links that we are gonna be using, but the one that we are gonna be promoting, at least with the strategy that I'm gonna be showing today, I'm gonna be showing different strategies, is this one. Okay, is this one, the one that says all in one business sales letter. Okay, this is the one that we are going to be promoting. Okay, so now we have, if you follow this training, you already have access, to the affiliate area. You're ready to promote. And if you follow the training, you already have your funnel. Okay. So we need traffic, we need eyeballs, we need people who are going to be interested in this. I'm going to show you two traffic methods. Okay. The first one, if you're really serious, you're really committed, and you want to get fast results. Okay. The first one is called My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. Here, with an investment of just $1 a day, you're going to have, you know, emails, emails from people who are interested on making money online. Okay. And you can send emails on a daily basis. Okay, just one pay $1 per day. It's actually really simple. This is my account. You're gonna see that you're gonna get 100 leads per day. You're gonna see that this is a service that I have been using a lot in the past. If you are ready, to send the here, you're gonna click here where it says mailing system. Okay, you're gonna select all. This is gonna be again like a snowball effect on everything, with the fact that we are going to be promoting, where is it? Where is it? The HBA. Okay. Remember that this is recurring. Okay. This is actually recurring. So you can get one sale on your very first week. Okay. Let's say that you are getting on average between 2 to 4 sales, per week. Okay. So that means that at the end of the year, guys, if you make 2 sales per week. Okay, 2 times 52, because we have 52 weeks. Okay, we have 404 customers paying month after month after month. So this is why this method and this strategy is really powerful. Also, why my lead gen secret is powerful as well, because again, you're gonna get 100 leads per day. Every single day, you're going to get 100 leads. Okay. So the only thing that you need to do right now is click here where it says select all. Okay. I have 15,000 emails here. Okay. Now I need to put my subject. Okay. I already have some text. I'm going to show it to you in a moment. Okay. I'm going to show you the preview. Let me copy and paste. Here is actually where you put your text. Okay. I'm going to, okay. I just want to have the first name. So I'm going to be adding some format here. So hello. And one, and this is actually a tip, guy. If whenever you are writing an email, please make sure that you're writing really small sentences. Okay, really small sentences. They are actually really, really easy to digest. Okay, so it's actually really important, especially because a lot of people are gonna get this on their mobile device. Okay, a lot of people are gonna be getting this on their mobile device, and we want to make sure that they can get this information without any kind of problem. Okay. So as soon as I finish, I need to make sure that I have my email or actually my link on my email. So it's going to be this one. Okay. Remember the one that says all in one 25 business sales letter. Okay. And I'm going to make sure because I'm copy and pasting this. Okay. So I'm going to click here. Yeah, this is my link, but let me show you again how it actually works. So copying. Okay, again, I'm gonna click here copying. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger because I already find out that the best size is 16. And let me show you here a preview so you can see how the the email is going to look like. Okay, this is how actually the email is going to look like. And now we're going to click here where it says perfect timing, and we're going to click here where it says send email. This is how easy I'm sending emails to people who are, interested on this opportunity. Okay, remember, people who join my lead gen secret, people who are here on this platform, it's because they are interested on making money online. And this is a quick and easy way in which you can actually make money online. Another way that you can drive traffic if you're on a budget and maybe you're like, okay, but I just have the $25. Okay. I don't mind going slow. Okay. You can also do something that we call organic traffic. Right now, what I suggest you to go with is a short video formats. Okay, short video formats. You can go create your TikTok account, target, and create content related to people who are looking for a change. Okay, who are looking for a way in which they can actually make money, while they travel, while they sleep. They want to fire your boss. Okay, so you can do this on TikTok. That's at least the way I like it. But I repurpose that content by downloading this from snaptik.app. I paste my TikTok link here. Okay, and I repurpose my content and I put it on Instagram Reels, on Facebook Reels, on Pinterest, on YouTube Shorts, and here on TikTok. Okay, so this is a great way, guys, in which you can literally start making money as soon as today. If you want to have faster results, you can go with my lead gen secret. Another thing that you can do, guys, by the way, I'm going to be leaving all these links below, is that you can open 2 or 3 accounts on my lead gen secret. So that means that you're going to be getting 300, between 200 and 300 leads per day. Okay. So this is it for this video, guys. If you enjoy it, please leave me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions about this program, okay, the Home Business Academy, remember that you have the funnel builder and also you have the training here and you have the community, okay? So you're not going to be alone, okay? This is one of the main difference between this program and other programs, okay? So I hope you enjoy this content and I see you on the next video.